In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your very own HubSpot certificate through the HubSpot Academy. This is a fantastic way to bolster your professional credentials and prove your expertise in areas offered by HubSpot. To begin this journey, let's start by heading over to your browser and searching for HubSpot Academy Certification. You can do this by going to the Google homepage and typing the phrase into the search bar. Make sure you hit enter, and you should see a number of search results displaying various links related to the HubSpot Academy. Once you've got the search results in front of you, look for HubSpot Academy Certifications and click on it. This will take you directly to the HubSpot Academy page, where all their available certifications are listed. You'll find this landing page loaded with different courses and certifications, all designed to help you deepen your knowledge in marketing, sales, customer service, and more. Here's an extra tip. If you're aiming for a specific certification, use the search function on the HubSpot Academy page to quickly locate the course that aligns with your professional goals. This can save you time, especially given the vast array of options available. Next, you'll want to focus in on the highlighted sections of the page. Look for a distinct announcement or a feature on the page that draws attention. This is usually the part you want to click on next. This specific area often showcases the latest or most relevant certifications or courses that HubSpot Academy thinks will be valuable for learners like you. After highlighting and accessing the course information, it's time to get your account set up. On the homepage of the HubSpot Academy site, you'll find an option to sign up for free courses. Go ahead and click on this. This step is crucial because it will allow you access to not only the course you're interested in, but also a wealth of other resources that HubSpot offers to help enhance your learning experience. By signing up, you get to track your progress, manage your certifications, and revisit any content whenever you wish, all without any cost. As you proceed with the courses, you'll find that they are structured with a variety of videos, quizzes, and practical exercises that ensure you're learning effectively. Finally, once you've completed the course and passed all the necessary exams, you'll receive your HubSpot certification. Be sure to download or print your certificate to showcase your achievement. As you embark on this learning path with HubSpot Academy, remember that these certifications are not just digital badges, they are a testament to your commitment to professional and personal development. Enjoy the learning journey.